Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and I'm going to show you how to turn off this device. So let's get started. To turn off our watch, we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen, which takes about, I would say, 5 to 10 seconds. And once the menu appears, you will see two options, restart and power off. We want to power off our watch, so we can tap on the power off button and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And after a few seconds, the watch will turn off. Like this. And basically that's how you turn off this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.